Get ready to see powerful machines in action, hauling, chipping, and handling wood like never before. A stump grinder attachment efficiently removes tree stumps with precision, grinding them down into wood chips, leaving the ground clear and smooth for further use. The operator starts by cutting the log into smaller pieces with precision, making it easier for the lightweight Kubota to skid them effortlessly. Then the lightweight Kubota effortlessly skid logs with impressive control and precision for such a compact machine.
Stay out of the way, Rugsby.
Check out how the stump was removed with surgical precision and the soil replaced seamlessly without disturbing the pavement. The operator's skill is truly next level. The truck struggles as it drives over a muddy patch, almost tipping backward under the weight of the logs, a real test of power and balance. After a few attempts, the driver finds a way to get the truck unstuck, powering through the tough spot and successfully continuing on the path. The wood chipper is loaded with ease, and in no time it's shredding massive branches into mulch. The speed and power of this machine are hard to beat. As the wood chipper gets loaded, it's already in full action, efficiently turning large logs into fine wood chips. A perfect blend of power and productivity. This wood chipper is a beast. Watch as it effortlessly takes in huge branches and turns them into fine mulch. With each powerful chop, it keeps going without breaking a sweat, proving just how efficient this machine is. From start to finish, the chipper handles everything thrown its way, making quick work of the toughest wood. That was close. Almost something bad happened. This guy didn't just take a few logs, he took the whole forest with him. The operator takes control, skillfully loading the truck with heavy logs, showcasing incredible precision and technique. Watch as they raise the back section with ease, proving true mastery of the machine. The machine effortlessly grabs all the logs at once, showcasing powerful strength and precision in handling the heavy load with ease. The operator shows flawless control, making it look easy to grab the entire load in one go. With incredible force, the high-powered wood chipper devours massive branches, turning them into fine mulch in no time. This machine is all about raw power and efficiency. Look at how this machine effortlessly carries that massive log. It's incredible how it handles such heavy loads with ease. The sleek black design of this machine is not only beautiful, but adds to its powerful presence, making it as stunning as it is functional. Check out the incredible power behind every chop as the machine handles even the toughest branches with ease. The wood chipper effortlessly shreds massive logs, turning them into fine mulch in no time. Notice how the sharp blades keep working through the toughest wood, leaving a perfect trail of mulch behind. Watch the timberjack effortlessly haul heavy logs, using its immense power and precision to move the load with ease. The timberjack tackles those massive logs, demonstrating unmatched strength and control to haul them across rough terrain. Check out the loader with the log grapple attachment, lifting heavy logs with precision and ease. Look at the smooth operation of the loader as it grabs and moves logs effortlessly, showcasing incredible strength and control. Look how the wood chipper handles these massive logs, effortlessly turning them into fine mulch in no time. Notice how the blades keep working through the toughest wood, leaving a trail of perfectly shredded chips behind. Check out the power behind every chop as the machine effortlessly processes even the toughest branches. It's amazing to see how efficiently the machine works, turning large logs into mulch without missing a beat.